welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how samosas are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Great perfectly. Every batch of delicious samosas begins with carefully selected ingredients. Fresh potatoes, flour,
To prepare the filling for samosas, potatoes are cooked, chopped, and blended with aromatic spices that give every samosa its rich, traditional flavor. Once the dough and filling are ready, the ingredients for samosas move along the preparation line toward the machines that will shape the famous triangular samosas.
In this stage, powerful mixers knead the dough that forms the crispy shell of samosas, ensuring every batch of samosas has the perfect texture.
At the same time, the flavorful filling for samosas is blended with potatoes, vegetables, and spices.
After mixing, the dough and filling move through the production line, where the ingredients for samosas are prepared for the shaping and forming process.
Here the dough is rolled and cut into perfect shapes that will soon become the outer shell of freshly made samosas.
Next, the flavorful filling is added, and machines carefully fold each piece into the iconic triangular samosas shape.
Now the freshly shaped samosas travel along the conveyor, ready for the frying stage that will give them their golden crispy texture.
Now the samosas enter large industrial fryers, where hot oil cooks them evenly, turning the dough into the crispy golden samosas everyone loves.
After frying, the hot samosas move on to cooling lines, where excess oil drains and the crispy samosas begin to cool before packaging.
Finally, the freshly cooked samosas are carefully packed into boxes, ready to be delivered to stores and enjoyed everywhere.
Before leaving the factory, every batch of samosas is carefully inspected to ensure the samosas meet strict quality and freshness standards.
Once approved, the packaged samosas are loaded onto trucks, so the delicious samosas can be delivered to stores and customers everywhere. And that's how samosas are made. From fresh ingredients to crispy golden samosas ready to be enjoyed.
And that's how samosas are made, in mixing, from start to finish.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.